Hey everyone, welcome to LifeThoughtsCamera YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be talking about the crystal nail filer, which is also called as a glass nail filer. This is the nail file that I'll be using as an example. Let's get started. What is a crystal or glass nail file? A crystal or glass nail file is made of tempered glass and is the latest innovation in nail files. It can be used to shape or shorten a nail. It consists of three parts: a handle, which acts as the area of holding the file; the body part, which is covered with an abrasive surface for filing. The surface is chemically etched. The chemical removes little bits of glass which creates random gaps on the surface. And lastly is the end part. It can be pointed or round-ended. The pointed end is designed to clean the under nail surface area, and the round end is just a safer tool to use for babies and pets. Difference between a crystal file and other filers available in the market. Honestly, I feel it is a bit better when compared to the other files. Other files are those that are made of diamond, emery board, metal, ceramic, etc. Now all these also give the same finish results, but I'm considering other factors. Like if you're comparing it with an emery board, then the crystal should last much longer. In fact, the crystal is supposed to be lifelong lasting. And the other nail files have irregular surfaces like peaks and valleys. The crystal does not, which means no tearing of the nail bed, making it the healthiest option for nails. As well as the nail will not chip or peel, so it is perfect for those who have thin nails. In the end, it comes to everyone's personal preference. How to use a crystal file. A crystal nail file works just like any other nail file that is available in the market. The instructions are the same. I'll cover the basic here. You should file in one direction, that is, start from the corner of the nail and move towards the center. Some say that you can use this crystal file both ways, like back and forth motion, but I'm still following the traditional method as it gives me a much better control to shape my nail. You can use a tip to clean dirt and remove the excess nail that forms while shaping. Take your time and check your nails to see that it is even after every few strokes. Usually the crystal file is double tempered, but as it is glass in nature, please do be careful. It might break if it falls down. Lifespan of the product. It is supposed to be lifelong. The ingredients. It is made of glass. The material is tempered, due to which it gets its resistance to wear and tear. How to check the quality of the crystal file. As I already mentioned, the original method is done by etching. The non-original kind are usually sprayed or glued onto the body surface area. Check the surface along the file. Run your fingertip like this. If you see a step down in level, then it is an original, as the layer goes while doing the chemical etching. If you feel a step up, then it is cause the abrasive part is either sprayed or glued on. You can also scratch a tiny bit of the surface with something hard like a coin to see if any area comes apart. If it is not original, that is, if it is sprayed on or glued on, it will definitely come apart. Now check the edge of the body. Quality filers will have round and smooth edges, and also there should not be any chips. Do they come in different sizes? Yes, they come in different sizes. It actually depends on the brand. Some brands just make the one standard size and some make it in different sizes. Apart from the length, they also come in different thicknesses. The thicker ones are usually used for pedicure to remove the dead skin. They also come in different colors. How I use my crystal file. I always hold it comfortably with my palm and then glide it slowly on the area of the skin that needs any trimming. I mainly use it to remove excess cuticle and hangnails. I actually mentioned this nipper in my salon style manicure at home video. Storage and maintenance. First tip I will give is to be very careful. Please do not drop them. Best to store the product in the packaging it came with. Usually crystal files come in a thick sleeve or plastic storage box. This will prevent it from breaking. I recommend the box for storing. After every use, clean the file by placing it under running water and gently rubbing the entire body. Don't forget to wipe it dry before storage. Just pat it. Since the material used to make a crystal file is not an absorbent type, a sterilizing is not needed after every use. But if the product is shared by more than one person, it is best to also clean the nail file with whatever hand wash, alcohol, or sterilizing spray that you use. Remember to always keep and store the cuticle nipper without any moisture involved. I keep mine on a shelf inside our closed cupboard. Also, if you're interested in lifestyle, do check out my other videos. Now, don't forget to thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Bye!